Hello students. So before you watch this video to implementation on heap sort, I request you to watch the first video which I posted earlier, how the heap sort works. So until unless you don't understand how it works and until unless you don't do manually, you should not write a program. So this video is a small video to tell you how to write a program. So you first remember that what we did earlier to understand heap sort. So we took a heapify function. So heapify on 1. So means heapify 1 means check these three elements and greater will go up. So 8 comes here. And then again check these three elements and greater will go up and this comes down. So that is what heapify means. So that I have discussed in length in previous video. Now, if you do heapify on the non-leaf nodes, then a heap is built. So what is heap and how to build? In previous video, I have explained. So to build a heap, you need to heapify from I equals to n by 2, the floor value minus 1 down to 0. So once a heap is constructed, then you can sort the array by using a simple process which we call heap sort. So heap sort uses build heap function to build the heap. Build heap function uses heapify function. So in that manner, a heap is built and then sorting is done. So that all thing you need to revise, you need to do by yourself manually, and then you can write the program here. So see here that I'm using a build heap function. This build heap function will use heapify function and then heap sort function which will sort the array. So array A I have taken global and there is a size element. So this size element shows that up to what point we need to consider the array from 0 to like up to last element or before that we want to end our process. So this is main function where I'm doing nothing but only asking for the number of elements in the array and scanning those elements here in this for loop. After that, I copied the number of elements n in size. So size and n are equal here. Heap sort is called, and after sorting, elements are displayed get ch. So the main function will only read the input, set the size, call heap sort, and then display the result. Here comes the heapify function. So I have already explained you in previous video that left child of ith element is 2I plus 1. So we initialize L left with 2I plus 1 and right with 2I plus 2. Then few elements are required as temporary and large. So large is to search for largest element among three: ith element, left, and right. So see here, if L is less than size, so we are working on the array only if we are within the size. If element L is beyond the size of array, then we will not consider it. Then here you see, if AL is greater than AI, means element at Lth position is greater than ith position, then large is L. So we are choosing the large among three. So that kind of program you have already done in first year also. So then I'm looking that if R is also within the size, then I'm writing this AR is greater than A large, then large is changed. So in that manner, large will hold either I, L or R. That means which one is larger? Ith element on which we are heapifying, because we have called heapify at int I, or the left child or right child of it. Then if large is not I, that means we need to swap. So swap temporary equals to AI equals to A large equals to temp. So the largest number If I is not large, then we are swapping with large and I. So large and I are swapped, and then we also heapify on large. So this is the heapify function which we discussed in our video how it works. Then this built heap is simple. You need to only call heapify function again and again for all the nodes which are not non-leaf nodes. So you know non-leaf nodes. Non-leaf nodes are nodes those have one or more child. So one or two child. Leaf nodes are those terminal nodes. They are also called terminal nodes. So leaf node are those don't have a child. So heapify function, all leaf node we are calling heapify I. So I equals to x to I greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. So we are going down to 0. And here x I have initialized size by 2 minus 1. So rest of the elements are leaf nodes. So size by 2 minus 1, if you calculate that, that is the non-leaf node. And then you come back down to 0. So heap is built. And then you are displaying heap here. So this is not required if you don't want to see after building the heap. But if you want to see after building the heap what happened, then you can print here the heap. And then this is heap sort function. So heap sort function, what it do? So you just go to my previous video and see once the heap is created, how the heap sort function works. So here you take build heap function you are calling. That means you are building the heap from the input array A, and after building the heap you are printing the size also. What is the size currently? And then while size is greater than 1, so size will be reduced every step. Size will be reduced by 1. So until unless there are 2 or more elements in the array, we will call the heap sort function. So if this, then the first element is taken in temporary, and we are exchanging it with the last element in our consideration. Our consideration means that size will be reduced by 1 at every step. So if one element is already sorted, we will leave that. So the greatest element is already kept on the rightmost place. So we will leave that element, and this the last considered element will be exchanged. So that exchange, and then you are reducing the size and calling heapify 0. So this is the process which we have done in our previous video, how the heap sort works after building a heap. So you need to understand how to build a heap, and for that you need to understand how heapify. After building the heap, you will call heap sort function which works in a particular fashion. So that is explained in the previous video, and here it is given the code for it. So you can write a program. Most of the students have already written the program and asked me and told me that they have successfully completed it. Those who have not completed, make now complete, please. So this is all about writing a program or implementing heap sort using C programming. Thank you very much.